Explore the power of possibilities with Nichiha. Savannah Smooth Architectural Lap Siding offers a timeless appeal that is backed by the modern innovation of fiber cement. Savannah Smooth's half-inch construction provides gorgeous shadow lines that are sure to make a statement. When crafting your forever home, every detail matters. Savannah Smooth delivers classic head-turning beauty that will last for years to come. Learn how to easily install Savannah Smooth on your next project. Part 1. General Installation Guidelines. Savannah Smooth must be installed over vertical wood framing spaced no greater than 16 inches on center with an APA-rated 7/16 inch minimum thickness plywood or OSB. A weather-resistive barrier is required in accordance with local building codes. For this demonstration, we are showing corner trim boards already installed. Refer to our corners video or printed documentation for more information on turning corners with Savannah Smooth. Prior to installation, be sure to inspect all products thoroughly. When using a miter saw, cut the product face up. If using a handheld circular saw, cut the product face down. Ensure the cutting table does not damage the siding's finish. The bottom edge of the first course must have at least 6 inches of clearance to finish grade. When installing over a driveway or a sidewalk, a 2-inch clearance is acceptable. Mark the stud locations on the weather-resistant barrier. A starter strip is required to set the first course at the proper angle and to create a drip edge. To create the starter strip, cut a piece of Savannah Smooth board to a height of 1.25 inches to 1.5 inches. Fasten the starter strip level with the bottom of the wall sheathing or sill plate. Measure up from the bottom of the starter, subtracting 1/4 inch from the board height, and strike a level reference line for the first course. Where board ends and edges meet trim at inside and outside corners, doors, windows, and other trim attachments, leave a minimum 1/8 inch gap. Nichiha recommends using a pneumatic nailer to fasten the boards. However, screws must be used at board ends to ensure long-term performance. Use 1 5/8" long, corrosion-resistant, number 8 ribbed bugle head wood thread screws. For further information on proper fastening, please consult the printed installation instructions. Fasten the board at each stud location 3/4 to 1 inch down from the top of the board. Always use a screw 1 inch from the board ends. Vertical joints should land or break over studs or solid wood framing. Place a minimum 3-inch wide joint flashing behind butt joints. Flashing should extend a minimum of 2 inches above the top of the board. Use a PVC-coated or anodized coil stock, 30-pound builder's felt, or code-approved weather-resistive barrier. All exposed field-cut ends and edges must be primed or painted. Never leave exposed edges uncoated. Install the next board of Savannah Smooth, butting the board against the installed board in moderate contact, using screws at each end of the board and nails in the field of the board. Install the second course overlapping the first course by 1.25 inches. Fasten in the same manner using screws 1 inch from the ends and a pneumatic nailer at 16 inches on center in the field of the board. Flash the vertical joint and continue the process. Stagger the joints by 16 or 32 inches to ensure a random appearance. When installing the last course, place a piece of Savannah Smooth cut to 1.25 inches to 1.5 inches of height at the top of the last course to maintain the proper rake angle of the siding, and be sure to seal all cut edges. Caulk all gaps with a quality sealant that meets ASTM C920 requirements. Corner trim and other trim attachments must be of sufficient thickness. The overlapped board siding must not extend beyond the face of the trim. Savannah Smooth boards come pre-primed with our specialized 3-part priming system that provides a fantastic surface for painting. Apply 2 coats of exterior-grade high-quality latex paint according to manufacturer's specifications. From the construction site to the final product, we'd love to see how you're using our products. Share your images with us at #NicheChat. For more videos and more information, visit us online at nicheha.com.